Good morning, good afternoon, everybody. Whenever this video may reach you, I'm just going to continue in the Annals of Elohim, Psalms from the Lighted Path. Last night we covered Psalm 1, the Psalm of Sarah, and this morning we're going to do Psalm 2 because this stuff is relevant to our time today. And this is going to be a communal prayer. It's a psalm of spiritual blessing, knowledge, truth, and light to restore God's plan for the earth. Truly, this is unfolding in our times today. This is at hand and already at hand. I don't know. Let's join in prayer if you come in agreement. May the powers of the One, the source of all creation, all persuasive, omnipotent, eternal, may the goddess, the Lady Moon, and the God Elohim and Jehovah Son, may the powers of the spirits of the stones, rulers of the eternal realms, may the powers of the stars above and earth below bless this place in this time, and I who am with you. From the point of light within the mind of God, let light stream forth into the minds of men. Let light descend on earth. From the point of love within the heart of God, let love stream forth into the hearts of men. May God's return to earth. That's something to meditate on. That's quite astounding. From the center, where the will of God is known, let purpose guide the little wills of men, the purpose which the masters know and serve. From the center, which we call the race of men. Now, I must interject that this would be called the all, what we read of in the scriptures as the all. From the center, which we call the race of men. That's the all. Let the plan of love and light work out, and may it seal the door where evil dwells. Let light and love and power restore the plan of earth. In the mighty name of Jesus of Nazareth, amen and amen. Link will be below. Thank you for tuning in.